Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. So first we open CAD CHF in H1 time frame. This strategy we need two indicator. First OMA indicator. With chain sum settings. And second RSI indicator with change sum settings. If market cross OMA indicator upward, with extra confirmation, RSI 0 level middle line cross upward, then we take a buy trade. Here is confirmation buy trade. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Here is confirmation buy trade. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market cross OMA indicator downward, with extra confirmation, RSI 0 level middle line cross downward, then we take a sell trade. Here is confirmation sell trade. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.